Hello friends. Welcome to our channel Library Facts. Today we're going to talk about a very important and effective management technique called Six Sigma. This technique is renowned worldwide for improving quality and managerial efficiency. So let's dive in and learn more about Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology aimed at reducing defects and inconsistencies in processes. It was developed by Motorola in the 1980s and was later adopted by GE General Electric in their business practices. The goal of Six Sigma is to reduce defects to 3.4 per million opportunities, DPMO, leading to significant improvements in quality. Six Sigma is important because it not only improves quality, but also enhances the efficiency of processes. It ensures that services or products meet the expectations of customers. In institutions like libraries, Six Sigma can be applied to improve the quality of services and managerial processes. There are two main methods in Six Sigma: DMAIC and DMADV. 1. DMAIC. DMAIC stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This method is used to improve existing processes. 2. DMADV. DMADV stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Design, and Verify. This method is used for designing and developing new processes. Now, the question is, how can Six Sigma be applied in libraries? Let's find out. 1. Process improvement. Six Sigma can be used to improve the quality of services like book distribution, cataloging, and other library functions. 2. User satisfaction. By using Six Sigma, user satisfaction in libraries can be enhanced, leading to a better overall experience for library users. 3. Managerial efficiency. Six Sigma can help save time and resources in various management tasks within the library. 4. Training and development. Six Sigma can also be used to improve staff training and development. Why is Six Sigma so important? For any organization, including libraries, Six Sigma can lead to substantial improvements in performance and customer satisfaction. Here's why. 1. Quality improvement. Six Sigma helps organizations identify the root causes of defects and inconsistencies. By addressing these issues, organizations can enhance the quality of their products or services. 2. Cost reduction. By reducing defects and streamlining processes, Six Sigma can lead to significant cost savings. Fewer errors mean less rework and fewer resources spent correcting mistakes. 3. Enhanced efficiency. Six Sigma methodologies help optimize processes, leading to more efficient operations. For libraries, this could mean faster processing of new books, more efficient handling of user queries, and overall smoother operations. 4. Customer satisfaction. Ultimately, Six Sigma aims to meet or exceed customer expectations. For libraries, this means providing users with a seamless and satisfying experience, from easy access to materials to responsive customer service. There are several benefits of Six Sigma. 1. Quality improvement. It helps eliminate defects, leading to better quality. 2. Cost reduction. By reducing defects and inconsistencies, costs can be lowered. 3. Enhanced efficiency. Streamlined processes and optimized workflows result in more efficient operations and better use of resources. 4. Greater user satisfaction. By meeting or exceeding user expectations, libraries can build a loyal user base and enhance their reputation. Friends, Six Sigma is a powerful tool that can enhance the efficiency and quality of any institution. In libraries, applying Six Sigma can make our services more effective and efficient. I hope you found this information useful. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel Library Facts. We'll be back soon with more exciting information. Thank you.